Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you really quickly in Finale how to change note heads from the alpha notes, sticking the letters in the note heads, to back to regular note heads. So I was asked this question a long time ago, and now I've found the answer. So we're going to just go share the screen. I have this default document up here, and if you could see, I have these notes up here. Well, how did I get there? I went up to plugins, went up to Notebeam and Rest Editing, and did the Alpha Note plugin and clicked it, right? And that's how we got our alpha notes in there. But how do we change them back? Well, there's no checkbox to uncheck or recheck any of these. What you have to do is you have to go down to where it says Utilities on this menu right here. You have to go down to where it says Change, second from the bottom of the list. And there will be a bunch of things. There'll be an arrow drop-down menu. You could change the articulations, the chords, the expressions, note duration, the size of the notes, the note heads. That's our guy right there. We want to change the note heads. We want to click it, and what we'll do is we want to change. You could select which ones to change. You could select all note heads, or any of these that you select you could change. So what we want to do, we want to select all note heads. Find all note heads. And then we want to change all note heads to regular note heads. And then once you find it out, once you select it all, then OK, and then you see the alpha notes are gone, and you are back in business with regular note heads. So that's how you do that in Finale. Hopefully that helped, and I'll see you in the next video.